This short video wants to explain situation where we can or it is advisable to extend the proximal distal lines of a zone to cover the wicks. Normally we don't cover the wicks when we are drawing a zone. For a supply zone we cover the highest highs, but for the lower lows of the zone we don't draw the proximal line of those areas. We just cover the closes and the opens. So these are more or less the situations where we can extend and adjust the proximal distal lines of a level when we have a single basing candle, when we have several basing candles which are not wiki, and when we have a candle prior to the basing which is close, very close to price, that it's advisable to add more wiggle room. Let's try to cover and see some examples so you understand the logic here. We would always adjust the risk to the new width, okay? So, for example, in this dollar CAD daily chart, we can see that there are several areas here. So normally we would draw the area like that, basing candle like that, okay? So when you have that, you have a small pips down there, it's nothing really. So what you can do is do it like that, a little bit wider, covering the lows, okay? The correct zone would be something like that, but then you will be triggered there. So many times, in fact, this is a trade, as you remember, if you remember, that was taken, okay, and it was triggered on this trade because of that, because I did that, so and I exited down there. So here, this is an example. Normally the zone would be like that, okay? We cover the highest highs, but the wicks are not covered for supply, opposite for demand, but you can make it a little bit wider. In this case, for example, as well, you can do it like that. It's not too much, really. So price many times can drop into these areas over here, or even the highs of these highs, okay, this candle like that, and retrace. We can do that because it's nothing, really. You just adjust the risk, and also because Forex is unregulated and every broker has a different price feed. So here, this is the looks on hot Forex market MetaTrader platform, but on FXM, CM or IC markets or FX Pro, it could look different. So it is good to add some more padding to both sides of the distal and proximal lines because of that. Okay. Another example. For example, this is the third example here. Candle prior to the basing is closed. It's advisable to add more wiggle room like here. Okay, so this is a rally, the base, and a rally. So if you do like that, then you're out. Okay, so look at the candle to the left. When we have candles very close to it, this rally, this bullish candle, then what we should do is this. Okay, cover the lowest low of the candle prior to it. If we had this candle didn't exist, and we have that candle, obviously we're not going to do that. Okay, that's common sense. Okay, so uh, something that's what I'm trying to say. So you can adjust, extend, and tweak the zones, adjusting by risk, obviously, when you have single candles like that. So let me try. I believe I have located, for example, here. I think it was something here in the daily. Don't remember. No, something different. We can look at the weekly as well here. Same here. This drop base rally. If we take this candle here, okay, then price will not be touched, so you can extend it to the prior one a little bit. Extend, take the higher high. It is within the range of this one, okay. So it depends on the broker. You will have different looks. So with CPs as well. So here, small CP, so you can do like that, okay, instead of doing it as the rules say that you should do. They are very small candles, single base candle, a couple of candles like that, and it's advisable that you do it like that. Okay, so it doesn't matter because you just adjust the risk, and the lot will be different. Okay, so something that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so and that's it. Let me try to locate another example here. That one, that one. Well, it's okay. No, I believe that's pretty clear. Otherwise, I will extend the video too much, and this is supposed to be a short 5 minutes video. So, and this is it. Hopefully, you understand when, under which scenarios, we can tweak a little bit the drawing of the proximal and distal lines of potential imbalances. Thanks a lot.